Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Jason. You can call me Coach J. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about a strategy that I've included in my 25 different strategies in my guidebook down below. Go ahead and check that out first. And if you have any questions after reading over it and you want to learn more about the specific strategy in action, then you can watch these videos that I have prepared for you. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's strategy and topic. So leave everything how you found it. Now you're probably thinking, well, you know, why should I do that? Why do I need to have everything organized in a way? And to answer that, I want to talk about a specific methodology that is called mise en place. I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, but it's a French methodology that French cooks use to basically have a consistent output every single day, regardless of how busy they are, so that they're always prepared to cook and to make food that is of highest quality in the restaurant. An the way that you have your workspace set up on a regular basis is a reflection of, and this is very important because this is an identity statement that I want to encourage you to really think about. It's a reflection of your mind. So if you have a calm and organized mind, you're able to then work and build more things on it, and you're able to execute more because you're just in a better state of mind. And I think that having that sort of mindset when it comes to organizing all of your tools every single day helps to get you into it as fast as possible. So how do you actually apply this methodology that these French cooks have used to really have a consistent output in their work? So you first reorganize your tools at the end of the day. So if you're using stuff, for example, if you have a laptop that you're always using, or a keyboard, mouse, your computer, anything that you'll be using to execute on your goals, you always want to make sure that they're in place before you begin the workplace. That way you will have less time to think about it, and it'll be right there and ready for you to then start using to get to your goals. And that is why it's important to have your things organized before the start of your day. Having these tools that you're going to be using in a organized manner makes you more consistent with the output that you're getting. So because you have less time to think about it and you have more time to execute, you'll have a consistent output and effort from having an organized and clean setup. So if you learned something from it and got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about specifically this strategy, leave a comment below or directly message me, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.